After visiting all the booths and observe all the products in here, I'm very impressed about VP.Start and the product that they provide. Smart grid solution and home automation is provide people a handy life by reducing the cost of electricity. Come handy to control, make your life smarter and even modern. And the last but not least, reduce the operation time and cost. And I hope that in the future, VP.Start can bring the product to Vietnam to modernize people's life, make it better.
I think it's a very special solution and it can be very potential in Vietnam because we can give the solutions. It's quite unique. We have to saving the cost, but we don't need to change the whole system, but only integrate with the existing system.